Happy hump day, everybody. I love me a hump day. Hopefully, my wife abides by what today is called, but I'm not going to hold my breath, if you know what I mean, being a married man. But I won't bore you with hump day seat and talk here. That's not what this is about. Kind of taking it easy today on this fine Wednesday. Yesterday I was in that nasty crawl space, and I think I pulled something in my right leg somewhere. It's kind of hurting, so I'm kind of laying low today. I quit a little early, and that's my prerogative to do so. I'm not going to overwork myself and hurt myself. But today's video is about the wireless scale giveaway. Okay, if you remember from last Wednesday, I said that we were going to have a resolution, or I would at least check in today. Well, we're going to check in. So we're not going to have a winner today because nobody got within $1,000. And I kind of changed it because I don't think anybody, that's asking a lot for somebody to get, within $1,000 on my gross profit for the year of 2024. That's kind of a tough one to get. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take the top 10, and I'm not going to tell you guys who the top 10 is because I think that's going to show my hand on what my total is. Okay, so let's do a rundown of what guesses we got here so far, and then we'll but I'm not gonna show you what the top 10 are, but I'm gonna leave 10 out of these guesses, which there wasn't much more than 10 to begin with, and then I'll tell you what I'm gonna do with them. Okay, guys, so these are the guesses we have so far. We have HVAC stuff at 152K. We got Ryan G at 309K. We got M.A. Wolf at 210, J.K. Marshall 108, Tim New 178.5. That was pretty descriptive. David Cruikshank, first he went 253, but then he modified it and said 123. Excuse me. We got Philip Joy at 240K, Jacob Blow at 320, Harold Halterman at 259, Parker Johnson 69K, Ike Hoffer 65K, Drunk Hunter 324K, Treeless Texas 143K. I was making sure I said that semi-right. Trias, Texas. Sammy 5103 at 190K, and then Bertelli Justin final at 127K. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we got 15 entries. So let's talk about what we're going to do. It feels good to sit down with my hurt leg. Standing there for a second even hurt. So here's what we're going to do. Yes, I got my Got Whiskey hat on too. I like this hat. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take the top 5 of that mix of people. Okay, I'm going to take the 5 closest, and you're going to get 3 of your name in the hat. Okay, then I'm going to take the next 5, and you're going to get 2 of yours in the hat. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to put all those in the hat. We're going to give it till Saturday. So this is a Wednesday video, so we're going to do whatever more guesses I can get today, Thursday, and Friday, and then up until Saturday. And then I'm not going to do the live streams anymore for now because they just can't get enough people watching, and I'd like somebody to be present. I'm not going to draw a name out of the hat if somebody's not watching. So the videos are easier to do this with. So what I'm going to do is on Saturday I'll sit down and I'm going to put all the names together. So whatever names I get between today and Saturday, or whatever guesses, I'm going to take, I'll take the top 10 from those, which even if I get 10, that means you're getting your name in. This is I'm going to take the top 5 from those and put 3 of your names in, and then the next 5 will get 2. So those of you that are closer to the actual number will have 3 names in the hat, and then if your second tier is going to be 2. And I might just take who's ever left and put 1 in there. Actually, I think that's what I will do. So between last Wednesday and this Wednesday, okay, if you're top 5, you get 3 of your name in the hat. If you're top 10 or 6 through 10, you get 2, and then everybody else gets 1. Okay, we're going to do that now until Saturday. Maybe I should do it a whole other week. I don't know. That gives more people a chance to enter. And I prefer that you were a subscriber too. That would make it nice, but there's no way for me to tell really. YouTube doesn't tell you who the subscribers are. It just tells you how many you have. So I can only take people's word for it when they tell me, which in today's day and age isn't worth much really. But does that make sense to you? So top 5 from this week get 3 names in the hat. I'll say it again. 6 through 10 get 2, and everybody else gets 1. And then we're just going to do it again. Let's just do it Wednesday to Wednesday, because I'm not going to want to deal with this on Saturday. So and this will be the last time. I just want to get more names in the hat. So if I do what I did this week, we're going to have 15, 25, and then whoever's left. So we're going to have close to 30. If we can get the same amount or more, we'll have more names in the hat. We could have 60, 80, 100 names in the hat. That would be cool. And then some of you have a better chance than others because you made a better guess. So let's just clarify that one more time. So we're going to have a group. We're going to have a group in 2 weeks. If you're in the top, well, it's going to be top 10 now. So, because I'm going to take 5 from this week. So top 10 get 3 names. And then the next set of 10 get 2. And then everybody else gets 1. So accuracy is the key. If you've already guessed, you don't get to guess again. These are already spoken for. Got to be new names. Get new names in the hat. So we'll have at least 10 people that have a 3 times better chance than others, and then we'll have probably 10 others that have 2 times better chance of winning. Hopefully that all makes sense. Hey, it's fun for me because I'm hoping I can get some more people in there. Hopefully gain some new subscribers through it, which is what this is all about, is growing the channel and being able to give out more, because I don't know how many more of these giveaways. It's a lot of work to do, and I'm not getting anything from this. I've had there was a gentleman, I think it was Juan Diaz. He's given me a couple super chats, which is really nice. The way those work is if you give, I think YouTube gets 50% of that, and I get 50% of that, and it's not a lot. I've gotten $1.98, and until I get to up to $100, I don't get anything. Just so you guys know how the monetization works. I'm not anywhere close to making any money. I do this all out of my own pocket. So all these giveaways, I don't have advertising dollar. I haven't gotten a cent of revenue from YouTube, just so you guys know. So I want to make that abundantly clear to you that this is all on me. So I'm doing this out of the kindness of my heart. I want somebody to have these tools and put them to good use. That I won't put. I'm fine with the tools I have right now, and I'm more old school. I don't want all this fancy new stuff. This A2L stuff. They're trying to make you buy all these brand new tools that I'm just resistant to it. I don't like it. I don't like change. I don't like change in my personal life, and I don't like change in my professional life. I like things the way they are. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Hit those thumbs up buttons and button. Don't hit the down button, please. And I'll see you on the next one.